Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for those of you who are new, my name is Jasmine. Welcome, lovely to have you here. So today we're going to be creating this look that I am wearing right now. So if you are interested, make sure you guys stay tuned. And also don't forget to give this video a big like as soon as we're done, because I would love to have those big likes just to know that you guys enjoy my video. So in further ado, I hope you guys are ready. So let's go ahead and get started.
So to start off with this look, I'm going to use the James Charles palette using the shade Skip. So I'm grabbing a small blending brush and start packing this color on the right to the outer corner. So I'm blending this shade kind of high. Now grabbing another color in Escape, so we're going to be doing the same thing starting from the edges, and as you guys can see, I'm bringing the color all the way down. You can apply as much coat as needed. Now going with a different color, I will be applying it all over the color Escape to darken it a little bit more. Then I'm going to be applying the shades B, 518, and You're Kidding. Then I will do a second small cut crease in the shape of a circle. Now remember that once you apply this coat, it doesn't have to be necessarily perfect, as long as you get the colors in before we create the cut crease. Now you can use any concealer that you have in hand. Now the one I'm using is a Maybelline concealer, and that is in light 15. And as you notice, I'm just creating a small circle in it. Then I will go in with the LoveJasmine Mochi palette and grab with my finger a nice shimmer purple color and pack it on the lid. So as you guys can see, I didn't do any wing line for this look. So what I'm going to be doing for the lower lash line, I will be using the same colors in shade 518 and You're Kidding. Now I'm going in with mascara using the Tarte Man Eater. And for the lashes, I use the Sally Falsies. So now going in with the LoveJasmine Mochi highlight palette, I will be using all the 3 shades and apply it with a fan brush, and then use it on my cheeks and nose to finalize this look.
Okay you guys, so here's the complete look for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy, and if you did like it, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys pretty soon for our next one.